HMBradley is offering 3% APY on their hybrid bank account. So is HMBradley the best savings account right now? Introduction. In 2020, interest rates dropped, making savings account APY at 1% or even lower. With such low rates nationwide, not many banks are offering high yield interest. HMBradley stands out, giving its users the ability to get 3% APY for up to $100,000 with FDIC insured. Getting started. Make a checking account through the portal and receive your debit card in the mail within a few days. The institution is FDIC insured through Hatch Bank, so the name will appear when you link the bank to your financial institution through the routing number. When you first create the account, you have no savings tier and will not earn interest until savings tier update. Saving tier updates every 3 months and will apply saving tier APY for that given quarter. What are saving tiers? Every quarter, HMBradley analyzes your direct deposits and withdrawals to determine a net savings percentage. Based on the savings ratio, a new savings tier will be determined for users and will start earning daily compounded interest once the savings tier is implemented. Interest on your account is compounded daily and paid monthly. Saving tiers update for all customers at the beginning of each calendar quarter. January 1st, April 1st, July 1st, and October 1st will qualify to reach the highest tier. Qualified deposits include deposits from your employer, government agency, or retirement benefits. Transferring funds from a checking account or savings account, PayPal, Venmo will not qualify as a direct deposit towards the savings tier. You can still transfer money through an ACH to earn interest, but the transferred amount will not count towards the net savings ratio. Direct deposits can be sent in any amount as long as it's within this tier savings ratio, one factor against withdrawals. What affects the savings tier update? With so many restrictions towards reaching savings tier 1 3% interest, there are some transactions that will decrease the savings ratios and others that will not. Only qualified direct deposits within a new quarter will beneficially be accounted for when the next update occurs. Direct deposits from a previous quarter after a savings tier update will not factor into the savings ratio. Withdrawals of any funds in the account will decrease the savings ratio for the next savings tier update. Factors that will not affect the savings tier are earned interest or transfers from another bank. However, if you were to withdraw those funds, it will decrease the savings ratio, and that will require a specific direct deposit to maintain the savings tier for the next update. Savings tier update example, reaching tier 1 with a new account. From the image here you can see on the table, date on the left hand side in the column, a new user made the account on June 17th. About 5 days later, his first employer sent a direct deposit of $500 and he allocated that much into HMBradley account. However, since he has no tier, he's not earning interest, so you just see the $500 there flat until July 1st when it's the new savings tier update, and that's when he starts earning the 3% for tier 1, and there's a 4 cents added. However, it's paid every month, so it wouldn't be into the total balance. It's just here for the visualization. Conclusion: HMBradley is designed to be all about saving. The actual deposit amount doesn't matter, as one can allocate any amount from the direct deposit to start saving and earning 3% interest and qualify for savings tier 1. You could direct deposit your entire paycheck or just a portion to be allocated for saving. HMBradley designed their bank accounts for users of all socioeconomic backgrounds and savings goals. HMBradley is offering a competitive APY compared to the rest of the market right now. I recommend this bank account for anyone looking to hold funds safely while earning 3% passive income. Here are some of the features listed from the bank account. There's no fees or a minimum account balance. You have the ability to earn up to 3%. Okay, so this is my account right now. I made my account pretty recent. The example is almost when I made my account. Middle June, early June is when I heard of the account. First thing I noticed, I wouldn't have enough time to make a direct deposit, and Postmates qualified tier 1. As you can see, I'm earning 3%. Looking at the account is pretty straightforward. So nothing is set in stone, and since this is a new bank, the features could change. If you want to sign up for this bank, homepage is down in the description. Or you can just Google HMBradley to find the bank account online. Thanks for watching, throw a like and subscribe.